Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to update your Slack notification settings. So you're going to click on this down arrow, go to Preferences, and then the first thing that will show up on this menu is the notifications. So you can choose either to be notified about all new messages throughout your entire Slack group, or you can choose only direct messages, mentions, and keywords. So uh, you can update those keywords down here. For instance, I want to be notified if anyone ever mentions cats or SEO. So you can do that there. If anyone mentions you, they show this example here, so at Miley, then I will be notified of that. Or if someone just directly messages me not in a channel. Or you can choose to have no notifications, but you'll still see the badges if someone has reached out to you through there. You can also choose to be notified about threads you're following. I might actually check that. Or using different settings for mobile devices. You can also choose specific settings for specific channels. So I actually have muted 2 of our channels that I may want to look at periodically, but I don't want to be notified every time there is a support ticket, for instance, since that is not my primary job. Then you can also choose if a sound happens with each notification. You can choose to mute all sounds from Slack. You can also choose to have a bouncing Slack icon just for fun. Or if you want to preview a message in each notification, I might actually uncheck that so that when I'm on calls or recording videos like this, I don't have notifications pop up on the side with the start of a message. You can also choose do not disturb times if you don't want notifications sent to your phone or your computer between certain hours. I've chosen 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. A good note here though is that other Slack users can override this. So if someone is in do not disturb mode and I send them a message, it will give me an option to send it to them anyway. This should be used very sparingly to respect coworkers' hours of do not disturb. You can also have it show you notifications only if you've been inactive for a certain amount of time when you're not on desktop. So for instance, if I'm on my mobile phone and I haven't seen a message, 2 minutes after the message is sent to me, it will show up as a notification on my mobile device. And you can also have it send you email notifications for mentions and direct mentions. If you haven't checked those, I'm going to choose once an hour for that. So that's how to update your preferences for CloudApp specifically for notifications.